Welcome back. Today, reason 13 for polishing your shoes. Today's reason is about learning to pay attention to detail. Whilst you're doing this simple task, you will cover every single centimetre of your shoe, of each shoe. You'll spot things that you wouldn't otherwise notice. One thing is that the shoe needs to be protected from the weather in this particular area here, around the welt where the upper joins the sole, and it helps just to rub a little bit of polish into that, so you've got a wax barrier where all the rainwater and dirt is likely to strike it. That's just one element, just one tiny thing, and by looking at every part of your shoe frequently, then you are developing an attention to detail which will serve you well in every task you take on. There you go. Reason 13, attention to detail. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.